The biggest biome in the world is the aquatic system. The aquatic biome makes up 75% of Earth's surface. The biome can be broken into two main groups, freshwater and saltwater. Freshwater includes ponds and rivers and lakes, while saltwater includes the entire ocean.
There are many types of animals found in the aquatic biomes because the biome is so large.
Some of these animals include
whales, fish, bottom feeders, sea turtles, seahorses, sharks, crabs, lobsters, jellyfish, shellfish, sea sponges, water bugs.
In addition to many types of animals, there are many types of vegetation found in the aquatic biome. Some vegetation includes
Algae, water lily, Cape pond weeds, seaweeds, water lettuce, sponge, water chestnut, mosquito fern, sea lettuce, eel green, wigdone grass.
In the aquatic biome, one can find all 5 types of interactions.
the first type of interaction we found in the ocean was commensalism. This occurs between a whale and a barnacle, where the whale is not affected, but the barnacle gets a free ride. The barnacle benefits from this interaction, but the whale is unaffected.
An example of predation found in the aquatic systems is a shark eating a fish.
Parasitism exists in the aquatic biome. An example is the water parasite. The water parasite swims into your nose and enters your. To avoid such parasites, one cannot swim in low tide and also plug their nose.
In an aquatic biome, there's competition. An example of this is people eat fish and fish eat fish.
Our last interaction is mutualism. This is when both species benefit from their bond. Our example was a sea anemone and a clownfish. This is because a clownfish gets a home out of the situation and the anemone gets clean. This is an example of a food chain. One can see energy flow here. Starting at the sun, energy is given to the producers, like the coontail and algae. The next level only receives 10% of the energy from the producers. The following level, the green sunfish, only receives 10% from the previous level, and so on.
There are many abiotic factors that can be found in an aquatic system. An abiotic factor is sunlight. Sunlight is crucial for photosynthesis. Some depths in the ocean do not even get sunlight, so they only rely on scraps. Temperature is another abiotic factor. In small bodies of water, temperature will change greatly from day to night and by season. In large lakes and deep oceans, the temperature depends on depth. The bottom of the deep lakes and oceans are not dependent upon the temperature or sunlight because the organisms are able to live in freezing temperatures.
Another abiotic factor is chemical composition. This is when oxygen supports animals and algae, while carbon dioxide supports plants. If one of the chemicals is thrown off, it could kill plant or animal life. Human activities affect these chemicals in the aquatic biomes as well.
Salt content is much higher in salt water compared to fresh water.
The whale is the largest mammal in the world and it belongs to the aquatic biome.
The average whale weighs 23 to 30 tons.
These are all fresh water, those are salt water down there.
Let's kill each other. I think they have gerbils here. Others bottom Dude, look at me. Such a weird fish. What's going on? Look what they're doing. I know. What? They're like. Oh, they're so cute. Aww. You know if it's salt water or not.
These are all fresh water, those are salt water down there.
Yeah, I do. Yeah, I do. Aquatic system. The background with a dinosaur in it.
I'm talking to George. George Bailey? George Baradakis. What?